Good morning, sir. This is Justin Lorian, and this is my lesson. As I learned from the video, understanding myself means knowing who I am and how I grow every day. My identity is not just about my name or how I look. It is also shaped by my experience, my values, and the people around me. Every challenge I face teaches me something new about myself. I learned that growing up takes time as I meet new people and experience different situations. I become more responsible and confident. Every day gives me a chance to learn, improve, and understanding myself better. These reflections remind me that I will keep growing and become a better person as I move forward in life.